Hi everyone! Welcome back to Aspire English, where we break down English to make it easier and more fun for you. I'm your name, and today we're diving into phrasal verbs. These phrases can change the meaning of a sentence. Let's explore some common ones. Ready? Let's get started. Our first phrasal verb is wake up. It means to stop sleeping and become awake. For example, I usually wake up at 7 a.m., or she woke up to the sound of birds chirping. Next up is look after. This means to take care of someone or something. For example, can you look after my cat while I'm on vacation? Or, she looked after her elderly parents with so much love. Moving on to give up. It means to stop trying to do something because it's too difficult. For example, don't give up on your dreams. Or, he gave up learning the guitar after a few months. Now, let's talk about turn on. It means to start a device or light by pressing a button. For example, can you turn on the TV? Finally, we have run into. This can mean to meet someone unexpectedly or to encounter a problem. For instance, I ran into an old friend at the grocery store. Or, we ran into some trouble with the project. Try using these phrasal verbs in sentences of your own. Drop your examples in the comments below, and I'll be sure to check them out and give you some feedback. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English tips and tricks. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and stay curious.